So in this video, I'm going to show you a cool CSS effect. So let's say that I want to, blur these images as I hover over these images. So for example, if I hover over this one, I want to blur the other images. So to do that, you see I have this div and I have given it the class of container, and right below it I have an image and a paragraph. So I have 3 images and 3 paragraphs, and they are here. So now I have them selected already. You see I have said container, but right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say container hover. So whenever I hover over that container, I want to do something. So I'm going to say dot container hover. So whenever I hover over this container, I want the image. So image, I'm going to say not, then 2 parentheses. I'm going to say hover, and I'm going to open 2 curly braces, just like that. So right here inside of this, what we're going to do, we are going to copy this filter blur. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it here, except I'm going to increase this to 3 pixels. So now if I hover over these images, you see that it highlights that one and it blurs the other ones. So this is it, and I hope that you like this effect. All right, so you can apply this to any element. I hope that you like the video and subscribe to my channel.